Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how I made this bowling ball animation in Blender. So I'll open Blender and I'll add a reference image of this bowling pin. So just reducing the opacity. Shift A, mesh, taking cylinder. So adjusting at the center. Tab, edit mode. Selecting the vertices. Just extruding and scaling. Extrude, scale. Again extrude and scale. So in similar way, I'll complete this top half. So now at the center, just adding more edges using Ctrl R and scaling. Again, I'll continue to extrude below and scale. In similar way, I'll complete the bottom half. So after completing, I'll hide this reference image. Go to modifier and add subdivision modifier and shade smooth. Now I'll keep this side and start modeling the ball. Go to mesh, taking UV sphere, just scaling down. Tab edit mode. Go to face selection and select these faces. Right click, loop tools, circle. Now these square faces are converted to circle. Just extruding inside. Adding subdivision surface modifier. Shade smooth. Now selecting all these outer edges. Scale. And Control B to bevel. So after adjusting, so this is how the bowling ball looks. I'll just name it. Now I'll keep this aside and start creating the base. For that, I'll take a plane, scale. Now I need to place this bowling pin on top of this plane. I'll place the bowling pin just above this plane. Now add physics properties. For that, select the pin, go to physics, rigid body. Now if you play the animation, it goes down. Now select the plane, rigid body and type passive. Here I'll give shape for both as mesh. You can see if it is wiggling here, just select the pin, right click, set origin, origin to geometry. Now it stands on the plane. Next, I'll apply the material for this bowling pin. After this, I'll duplicate the bowling pin and arrange in this row. Now I'll add the color to this ball. So after this, we need to make the animation. For that, I'll keep the ball on top, adding physics property to the ball, rigid body. If you play, the ball comes down. So here in middle, I'll add a plane and making a slope like this. Also making it a rigid body, type passive. So by this way, the ball hits the slope and comes down, rolls and hit the bowling pin. To increase the speed, I'll go to scene and change the speed value. After adding some background and textures, so this is how it looks in render mode. Finally, after adding some sound effects, this is the final animation. So this is the basic tutorial on how I made the animation. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe for more such videos.